Welcome, I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we are making pineapple chicken, guys. This recipe is so delicious. If you love sweet and sour chicken, you are going to love this recipe. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Go ahead and chop your bell peppers into chunks. Chop your onion. After chopping your veggies, go ahead and chop your chicken breast into chunks. This is the size I had cut them into. So now it's time to season our chicken with adobo seasoning, black pepper, and onion powder. Go ahead and give that a mix and make sure that your chicken is well coated with the seasoning. Now add your cornstarch. Make sure that the chicken is well coated with the cornstarch because we will be frying them. This is how you want your chicken to look after adding in your cornstarch. So now, over medium-high heat in a large wok or a skillet, add your oil. Now that your oil is nice and hot, go ahead and place your chicken, and we're going to fry them for about 4 to 5 minutes. And make sure you do not overcrowd the skillet. After 5 minutes, go ahead and remove your chicken and place them on a platter. And continue cooking the rest of your chicken. While our chicken is frying, we are going to make a stir-fry sauce. Start with your pineapple juice. Add your soy sauce, tomato paste, brown sugar. Go ahead and give that a mix and make sure that the brown sugar and the tomato paste is well dissolved. After dissolving the sugar, go ahead and add some cornstarch. Go ahead and dissolve that in. This is how my stir-fry sauce is looking. That looks great. After frying your chicken, go in with your bell peppers and onion. Now go ahead and stir-fry them for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add your minced garlic, ginger, and cook for another minute. After a minute, add your pineapple chunks. Return your chicken back to the wok. Add your stir-fry sauce. Now allow this to simmer until the sauce has thickened. As you can see that the sauce has thickened, this is exactly what you're looking for. So go ahead and give it a taste to see if it needs any additional seasoning. I did went and taste mine, and mine tastes great. And this should take us to the end of this recipe. Hello guys, so my pineapple chicken is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? Go ahead and serve this with some steamed rice or fried rice. This recipe only took me 30 minutes to put together, and it is so delicious. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.